Hey guys, it's your girl Anne and I'm back today with another video. I hope everyone had an amazing Easter. So in today's video, I'll be recreating a beautiful art piece that I saw on Instagram. I don't remember the person's name, but I will insert that piece that I saw in this video. I picked these canvases up from Dollarama for $4. This one is 18 by 24. You can get them in Michael's, Walmart, Amazon. I'm also using the beautiful color that I love, which is black, which is actually a shade. And I'll also be using some silver metallic accent by Rust-Oleum. I actually purchased this for $30 at Lowe's. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, I'll also insert the picture of the artwork that I saw on Instagram. I don't remember the person's name or their Instagram name, but I will insert it so you guys can see where the inspiration came from. But I'll be putting my own take on it because I think that piece was actually professionally done, and it was probably purchased from a home goods or some kind of store. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, keep watching. Let's get started. So if you don't have molding paste or any other type of material to create texture for your artwork, this is a really inexpensive way to add some texture and give your artwork a nice touch. So what I'm doing here is just adding some baking soda to my acrylic paint. What I'm also doing, guys, that you'll see in a short while, I'll be adding my first coat with the baking soda and the acrylic paint, and I'll allow that to dry for at least an hour and then go in with a second coat if you want to add really great texture to your artwork. canvas art to share with you guys. A few stuff that I ordered from Amazon, like this palm. I have one in the living room, and I'm going to show you guys my plans for that. And my orders from H&M came in. I ordered some pillow covers. I think I'm going to be using these when I switch out from my spring pillow covers that I have right now to summer. And then I'm going to just open up this box and show you guys this amazing, I guess, kind of abstract art vase that I ordered from H&M. So I just wanted to show you guys the vase. I took it out of the box and this is what it looks like. Is it not gorgeous? It's very abstract and I love it. I'm trying to make some changes to my decor and just, you know, purchase some unique pieces. And this is one of them. This was the other one that I got from H&M Home as well. These two look really nice together. And I think I'm going to use this as a centerpiece for my dining room table. So you guys may probably see this on my dining room table for my spring tour or on my coffee table or something else. But yeah, I really like how it looks. And you can add greenery to it. It looks really nice. With some greenery. Looks really nice. And these are the pillow covers. They look really nice. Let me know what you guys think, but it looks really nice. So guys, this is how my canvas art turned out. I really love it. It looks amazing. And I've painted the sides of this one black, but I've left this one in the original color as the canvas. But I love how they turned out, even though I used the one that I saw on Instagram as my inspiration and sort of like a template. I did, however, create somewhat of a difference with mine, just to give it my own spin. But I love how it turned out, and I would love to frame around the edges of it to give it more of a professional look. So that's something I am going to do. But I hope this actually gives me some inspiration to start decorating this upstairs washroom and looking into purchasing some items to style up here, because I haven't done anything with this washroom since we've moved in. But yeah, I love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share with a friend or family, subscribe to the channel, double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll get alerts every time a new video is on the channel. I want to thank you for tuning in today, and I hope I've given you a little bit of inspiration to do some painting of your own. It really saves money, and it's a great way to add your own personality to your own artwork that you create in your space. Something like this could cost, you know, from $50, $60, even over $100. And yeah, I saved quite a bit of money just purchasing the canvases from Dollarama and just using what I found on Instagram as an inspiration. Anyways guys, I love how it turned out. Thanks for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.